Some racing news now. Overwhelming favorite American Aviator romped to an easy victory in the restricted allowance for native bred and imported non-winners of two events over 7 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday. More in this report.
The 4-year-old American Aviator broke easy from the gate and had lockdown for company heading into the final half-mile pole. But once he separated himself from the field, the race was basically over. The Jason Nunes-trained Dart Bay colt, ridden by Tevin Foster, romped home to victory by 7 1/4 lengths.
But American Aviator turns for home under Tevin Foster. Tevin Foster has a peep in his mirrors, and American Aviator continues to stride out under the hand ride. Foster looking behind him all the time. Bossman is left back in the distance in second. Lockdown is even further back in third and put to the stick, but it's American Aviator cruising inside the final 16th. It's all over. American Aviator will romp the 9th event and win by maybe 6. A Bossman is second. Prince Roy third, locked down in a photo with Star Quest.
The 1-2 favorite American Aviator coming home in a final time of 1 minute 25 4 with splits of 24-2, 47-4 and a minute 12 4.
Leaving the half mile, definitely when he switches it to the left lead, he gave me a kick which I wanted to slow him down, but he decided no, he just wanted to go hard, and from there I just take a little prick back and see there is no competition, no one coming, so I didn't have to stress him through the race. I just keep him cool and go through his paces and gallop out and win.
He ran second the last 2 times, so he's fit, he's sitting on a win. He had some little niggling issues, all of last year. So I know he's capable of better, and this was an impressive performance. I mean, he didn't beat much, but he did it the right way. So hopefully he'll keep happy and healthy and improve to the horse. I know he can be.
Meanwhile, OK Warrior took the Meadowvale Sprint Division 1 for 3-year-olds and up, claiming over the 5 straight to win in 1 minute 02 flat by 2 lengths over Basilicus.
Okoye Warrior now looks to pick it up from cruising again. Toots is just in behind the front rank. Basilicus showing speed, but it's Okoye Warrior now asked to shake them off. Okoye Warrior under the stand fence. Basilicus just toward the center and drifting across. Okoye Warrior being collared now by Basilicus. These two eye to eye as they drive toward the line. Okoye Warrior finding extra in the end. Okoye Warrior beats Basilicus, then Toots cruising again. Password is 5th.
Coalition took Division 2, the Patches Ford Sprint, as he ran off the screen to win in 1 minute and 1/5 by 10 lengths over Mr. Mandate.
It is now Coalition getting rid of Mr. Mandate. Coalition going on with it and traveling nicely. Coalition, it looks to have this one all sewn up. Coalition begins to sprint away. Coalition and Shavan Townsend sprinting clear in the end, winning easily. Maybe by 8 lengths, got tied for second. Mr. Mandate just hanging on from Undeclared War. It's also tied for the minors.
Jockey Tevin Foster and apprentice James Anderson shared the day's honors with 3 wins each. Jason Acosta saddled 2 winners on the trainer's side. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.